In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create infographics with NotebookLM. To begin, open your web browser and go to NotebookLM. You will want to navigate to the notebook you plan to use for your infographic. In this example, it is a notebook focused on a specific topic, but the process is the same for any subject. The important thing is that you are inside the notebook where your source material and notes already live, because the infographic feature works best when NotebookLM has context to pull from. Once the notebook loads, take a moment to confirm you are in the right place. You should see your notebook content on the page, along with tools and options for creating outputs based on your material. If the page looks incomplete or the content is missing, give it a few seconds to finish loading before you continue. A stable connection helps here, since visuals and generated content can take a moment to appear. Next, find and click on the option labeled Infographic. This is the tool that turns your notebook information into a more visual, shareable format. After you click it, NotebookLM will open the infographic view or panel. At this point, you are essentially telling the system that you want your information organized into a designed layout rather than a plain text summary. Now click on Sync. Sync is important because it updates the infographic with the latest content from your notebook. If you have recently added sources, edited notes, or refined key points, syncing ensures the infographic reflects those changes. It is a good habit to sync anytime you update your notebook, especially right before you plan to export, present, or share what you created. After you sync, allow a brief moment for NotebookLM to refresh the infographic. If you do not see changes immediately, wait a few seconds and avoid clicking repeatedly, since the update may still be processing in the background. Once it finishes, you will have an up-to-date infographic generated from the material in your notebook. That covers everything you need to know.